Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change password in VN. So let's get started. If you want to change your VN account's password, now to do that what you have to do is follow some basic steps. First, open up your VN application and then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on your profile. And after tapping on your profile picture, now from here you can just simply tap on change password and then change your password. But now in order to change your password, what you have to do is first enter your old password and then create a new password by first entering it and then re-entering it in the third blank. And after doing that, just simply tap on save, which is on the top right, and your password will be changed. So after entering your details, just simply tap on save, which is on the top right, and here you can see guys, your password successfully changed. So that's it guys, is how to change your VN account's password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.